What up, though? It's your boy Jay. Y'all already know we in the mad.
About to go to Benihana and eat good. We in the mad.
But let's get straight to the point. I just picked up this 2005 Dodge Magnum RT for $2,000. Y'all let me know in the comments that I get a good deal on this car. And one thing y'all gotta know, I'm gonna do the 392 swap on here. So stay tuned for that. I had this weird windshield wiper coming from Amazon, so when I get off of work, it should be there. Let me know, man. I'm gonna have to get this off too. That's something minor. It's real clean, man, for a 2005. And I'm gonna swap the seat out, swap the dash out. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that. Let me show y'all the driver's side. Like this seat good. I'm gonna show y'all the driver's side. Y'all can see what's going on with the driver's side, but like I said, I'm swapping the seat out anyway, so it don't matter. Let me show y'all the hatch. $2,000, man. What y'all think? RT. Open the hood for y'all. And I gotta get an oil change, man. That's one thing about getting a like used car. Always try to get an oil change, tune up and everything. I'm gonna pick my daughter up from school, get an oil change. Just stick around, man. Y'all gonna be with me today. Very clean under the hood. Had to drive 2 hours to get this car. Y'all from Detroit, y'all know the ride from Detroit to Lansing is 2 hours. But I think it was worth it. Showing y'all the miles I got in the car. Put the keys at, hold on. Oh, it's there right here. Y'all see it? No, it's kind of shaking. Alright. Start right up. No problems at all with this car, man. I forgot to tell y'all. Got that sunroof. Like I said, I'm about to get off work, pick my daughter up, gonna get the oil change, go to the house, and put the hatch windshield wiper on. Stay locked in with me, man.
Chedda is a businessman. He don't take drop-bys.
Alright, we back. And look what I seen as soon as I pulled up. So I'm about to open this box. We're gonna get straight to it. They put this little part in this big box, man. But here go the part number for anybody that's trying to do the same thing I'm doing. And it did not come with hardware. Luckily, I have this on my car. I'm about to see what size it is so I can take it off. I'm about to clean this up with a wire brush. See the rust right there? Focus. So I'm about to clean that up. Then we're gonna go to Ace Hardware, get everything put together. Now also I gotta go to O'Reilly to get a wiper blade. All right, the bolt size is a 13. Like I said, I'm gonna take the bolt off, clean this up. We're gonna go to Ace Hardware, get another bolt. When I do stuff, I like all new hardware. So let's get straight to it. Like I was saying, man, this car from 2005 is almost 2025 now. So save yourself the hassle when you change me parts out and get all new bolts and everything, man. All right, I'm just leaving my rally. Auto Parts. Y'all looking for the part number for the wiper blade? Here we go, right here. All right, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to the crib and put everything on. All right, just cause I got the Magnum, not mean I sold them Impala, man. Yeah, y'all see them seats, man. Hold on, let me bag back a little bit. Gotta work on the flows, man. It's a project. Y'all see these seats, man. Yeah, y'all see them seats. This one, airbag blew out, but that one perfect. But you know, it's a project, man. We gonna get it together. Just stay tuned, man. Y'all see I got the sunroof skin. I got the sunroof and everything I need to put the sunroof up here. We're gonna do the Camaro, you know. We're gonna get it all together, man. And I'm gonna, instead of just putting the steering wheel in here, I'm gonna go ahead and do a dash swap, man. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. And if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's turn this up.
I'm about to go to Benihana and eat good. We in the Mag.
Zero.
What?
Hey,
Come on.
leg messed up. Don't you see that right there? That's money. Let's go.
We out of here. We out of here. We going to Benihana. I'm hungry. We got money. We in the Mag. We doing good. Let's go.
So we got in the car and rode away, probably headed to Benihana.